Maybe I should have educated myself as a plumber. It was so good, as a matter of fact, I'm never going back there. I have once again made a magic trick. Hey, morning. It is Monday. So today I'm going back to California. So yeah, we should see you at the airport. Yes. Varför blir
Thank you very much, cabin crew. If you could now please go to your seats for takeoff.
Okay, so I have arrived in Heathrow officially. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get into the lounge, which I don't think I am, but I'm gonna try anyway. So yeah, I'll see you there. And as a matter of fact, yes, I could get into the lounge, but I'm gonna leave. Because, yeah, I need to get there. So I'll see you all then. see how long this will take. So hey, and yeah, that did not take short. That took significantly longer. Funny thing with LAX is either the passport takes really quickly and the baggage reclaim takes really quickly. It takes a long time, or is the vice versa? Just yeah, that's how that works. Trust me, I've noticed. I was now in the cabin. So hey, I have finally arrived, once again. And the thing I'm gonna do first right now actually is go start my car and take a drive, because just to see how it is. So yeah, I will see you soon. That was 2 cranks. Oh my god. So yeah, I like a car that actually starts. So yeah, I will see you in a bit. So first cruise and I forget the camera in the car. That doesn't bode well. But anyway, so I will see you at the apartment now. So hey, we left a bunch of stuff. Some onion, some sauce. Marinara sauce and stuff, which I assume you're not even pay me money to. You're not even going to be able to pay me money to eat that, so I'm going to throw it away. So hey, good morning. It is Wednesday, or it's Tuesday actually. So today, I'm going to first go to a school event actually, because I've been asked to, because the school event has like a big thing for all the new students. So, and I've been asked to sit at the ISP. At the ISP table. So yeah, I'm gonna be there. So I'm gonna shower, which I've done, and now I'm gonna do stuff and change. Then I'll see you. So yeah, see you on campus. Let's see. I'll see you on the campus later. So yeah, not much has changed. They added STEM Center lettering on the floor, on the window. The language building's getting close. Yeah. Otherwise, not that much has changed from what I see. So yeah, I'm done with that. So yeah, now I'm actually gonna go home because I need to change. So I'm gonna change quickly to something. So yeah. I'll see you back at home. Hey, 2 slight annoyances. Yeah, I have a clog in my drain, or it's not a clog, but it runs down very slowly. So I'm gonna unbolt the pipes or unscrew the pipes and see what's going on. Second of all, my meat grinder or my whatever, my whirlpool doesn't work anymore. It's just, yeah, it's completely stuck. So yeah, I'm gonna see what's going on then. So yeah, I will see you soon. So yeah, what I am gonna go do now is clean this thing, because Jesus God, this thing is dirty. As you can probably see here, it's spotty. Which, yeah, I need to go fix that. So yeah, I'll see you over at the cleaning place. So yeah, let's do something about that. Here too. It's because I washed my. Just look at this. It's going off. And there we go. That is much better. Now it is shiny again. will see you back at the apartment. So yeah, let's hopefully clear that drain pipe. So let's see if we can clear that drain pipe. Yeah, hey. So there was a big lump of something, and it's all brown and stuff. I don't want to know. So yeah, I'm gonna go chuck that somewhere, and then we'll see how it works. Everything's back together, and it is hopefully not clogged anymore. Just adjusting my tripod legs. That's I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But yeah, let's. That's not good. It's still clogging. Maybe there's something stuck in the food processor thing. I'm gonna have to look. I'll be right back. So, let me see here. Now, let me try to explain what happened. So, I first cleared this curve. There was a little bit of stuff in it. I don't know. I don't want to know what. But, yeah. So, I cleared that one, checked it. Still wasn't running. And then I got the smart idea, because all of these used to sit here and over there to there. So then I thought, hey, could it be that? And yeah, it was. There was a bunch of stuff in here, in this, in the junction here. And then in this pipe there was some stuff too. I'm gonna go clear this thing. I haven't done that yet. But yeah, you can see there's a bunch of gross things in there. But yeah. So that was that. Maybe I should have educated myself as a plumber. I don't know. But yeah. So they're fixed. Now I need to get into my car. Now I need to change quickly and then get into my car because I need to pick up somebody from LAX. So yeah, I'll see you right. See you. So hey. Yeah, I reported. So I reported them. They're gonna make a maintenance thing, and they're probably gonna come by tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you at LAX. So after some spicy amount of traffic, we're here. So yeah, I will see you now when said person comes. So yeah, and I have picked up Ben. So yeah, we'll see you back in a minute. So hey, here I kind of forgot to film a little bit. So Ben and I went to Chipotle, and this is actually the first time I've been to Chipotle, believe it or not. But yeah, it was good. It was so good, as a matter of fact, I'm never going back there because I'm gonna go fat. So hey, morning. It is Wednesday. And so today is time for another school event. It's the orientation day for all the international students, which I'm going to attend, like always. So yeah, I will see you soon on campus. So hey, and the orientation is done. I can film any of it because privacy reasons. But yeah, now I don't know what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'll get back to you when I do. So yeah, hey, I'm back, and I've decided I'm gonna go to the gym because I can. So yeah, I'll see you over there. So hey, yeah, I'm back, and now I'll go to the gym, and I won't bring the camera like I usually do. So I'll see you soon. Hey, yeah, I'm back after exercising and showering, and I actually did swim a little bit too because I felt like it. But yeah, now I am actually going to go and grocery shop because I haven't done that yet. Which, I'm gonna make a quick list of things that I really need. And then I will see you when I'm done with that. Yeah, list has been made up, and I just wrote up things I really need, and then just food and stuff. I know pretty much what I need or should buy. So yeah, I will see you soon. Yeah, and that's everything. And I'll probably miss something because you always do. I will see you back at home now. Okay, and for dinner I'm just gonna eat some sausages, eggs, and I'm gonna make a little bit of rice. Just a little bit, because of the reasons. So yeah, I'll see you. Yeah, just some basic eggs and sausage and rice, which I'm waiting for. But I'm just gonna eat a little bit, so yeah, I'll see you. Hey, morning. Today is Thursday. And so today I'm gonna do a bunch of things at home. I'm also gonna clean up, get to fixing down here to try and organize this thing because it's very, very bad. And then do some other stuff. So yeah, I will see you. No, first of all, I'm gonna eat lunch. So yeah, I'll see you in a sec. This is my lunch. It is 200 grams of rice, eggs, some chili sauce, some sesame seed oil, a hint of Tabasco because I like my stuff spicy. So sesame seed oil, a little bit of chili sauce, and then just some Tabasco. And finishing out with Kim on the top. So yeah, I will see you after this. And if you're wondering, yes, I do actually usually put some avocado in this, but all the avocados I buy yesterday are super fresh and they're super hard. So yeah, that's gonna be a bit hard. So yeah, I will see you soon. So hey, and it's a while back. But yeah, I haven't been doing much. I've just been unpacking and yeah, and procrastinating because of course I have. But now I'm actually gonna go and help some of the other Germans because they live here and they buy some stuff, but they don't have a car. So yeah, I'm helping because obviously I do have one. So yeah, I'll see you in where we're gonna shop in quite a while. But anyway, I helped them shop of course, and then we went to actually their apartment and I hung out there a bit. And then we actually went up to the rooftop to watch the sunset. And I also showed them that that's actually a really good place to look at stuff. But so yeah. However, now I went down after that into my apartment and I made dinner. So I made just some Caesar salad, and I used a Mexican thing, cheese, because I don't have any Parmesan, which is forgot to buy that. But yeah, So hey, morning. It is Friday, and as you saw, I surfed a little bit today. I didn't surf a lot because I am very not in shape, and also my legs are stupid sore because I exercised a couple of days ago, and yeah. But anyway, so yeah, right now I'm gonna go back home and do the usual thing. So yeah, I'll see you back at home after a shower and change. It's quite a lot while later. So I came home, I showered and changed and everything. And so yeah, I made the mistake of getting in bed. Because I laid on in bed, I was gonna take a 30-minute nap. It turned into a long time. So yeah, it's now in the evening, and I've just been here at home just cleaning up a bit. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Good morning, it is Saturday. And so, well, today I'm gonna do stuff, and the beginning of which I'm actually gonna go to eBay, because I'm gonna buy some stuff there. I'm not gonna buy anything just big, I'm just gonna buy some minor things. So yeah, I'll see you over there. Yeah, I'm back after eBay. But yeah, turns out the stuff that I want, they only have it online, which is kind of stupid. They should really start marking things if they have it online or not. But I guess I'll order it. But yeah, now I'll see you back in Huntington. So hey,
Where you're at, chaps?
I'm here briefly at Main Street, and it's really windy today. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm really loud because of all the cars. I'm down here because I need new slides and also need some new swim trunks. So yeah, I'll go to Rip Curl, like I usually do. Things have been fixed. So yeah, let's go back to, I'll see you at Target. I have once again made a magic trick. Yeah, my island is gone. But it's because I have organized a before school starts party. And no, I won't film any of it because of reasons. So yeah, I will see you soon. Or I will see you tomorrow morning. It is Sunday. So today, I am going to LAX for the second time this week. Because one of my friends is leaving her rental car there. And she wants to ride back. So yeah, I'm gonna provide. But yeah, I will see you in a sec. Okay, I'm dressed and showered. So let's go. So hey, yeah, and I picked up Anna because she returned her rental car.
Hi.
So yeah, we will see you back at Ocean Breeze now. Hi. So quite a lot of stuff has happened. So I came home after dropping Anna off where she lives, obviously. And then, but now I'm actually, and then I went home. I spent several hours here at home, just doing nothing and mostly playing video games. Then I went to the gym, and here we're now standing. So yeah, so now I'm gonna shower, and I'll see you in a bit. So hey, yeah, I'm showered and done. So I am right now. I'm gonna go and buy something real quickly. So I'll see you. So, oh hey, and I'm back, and I bought pasta because I made pasta. I made curry pasta like I usually do because it's been. I've had some of the tradition to make it once before I start the semester anyway. So yeah, I'll see. So yeah, that was that, and that's the last day and week before my semester starts. So yeah, I will see you next week when classes start, which is fun.